Deep cleaning on Asus ROG HURACAN G21CX desktop. Thank you, Sir Jacob, for trusting PETIT Solutions. The Asus ROG HURACAN G21CX desktop underwent a full deep cleaning service to restore its cooling efficiency, improve overall performance, and ensure long-term reliability. As a high-performance gaming desktop, the ROG HURACAN is equipped with powerful hardware components such as the CPU, GPU, RAM, and storage drives, all of which generate significant heat during heavy workloads like gaming, streaming, or content creation. Over time, dust and debris accumulate inside the chassis, particularly around the cooling fans, heat sinks, and ventilation systems. If not addressed, this buildup restricts airflow, causes higher internal temperatures, and may lead to fan noise, system instability, or premature hardware failure. To address these issues, the system was carefully disassembled and cleaned using anti-static tools, soft brushes, and compressed air. Dust was removed from the power supply unit, PSU, GPU, CPU cooler, motherboard, and case fans. The heatsink fins and ventilation grills were also cleared of debris to restore optimal airflow. Old thermal paste on both the CPU and GPU was removed and replaced with a high-quality thermal compound to improve heat dissipation. This ensures efficient cooling and stable operation even under demanding gaming and multitasking conditions. Following the deep cleaning, the Asus ROG HURACAN G21CX demonstrated improved thermal performance, reduced fan noise, and greater overall stability. The cooling system was able to maintain lower operating temperatures, which helps prevent throttling and extends the lifespan of critical internal components. With these improvements, the desktop is now capable of sustaining high-performance workloads more efficiently and reliably. In conclusion, the deep cleaning service has successfully revitalized the Asus ROG HURACAN G21CX desktop by removing dust buildup, optimizing airflow, and ensuring peak thermal efficiency. This preventive maintenance not only restores smooth performance, but also helps extend the system's durability, making it ready for prolonged gaming sessions and high-performance computing tasks. Deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.